So, you've written a book. You have the front cover, the back cover, the full cover with the spine. You have your manuscript fully laid out. You have registered your book with copyright.gov. Hello. And now you're wanting to set up your ISBN. Okay, let's get into it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my circle. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your ISBN. What does that mean? What does it mean? Setting up your ISBN is pretty much assigning an ISBN to your book. It may sound very, very complicated. It's not complicated, but it is very important. It is detailed. It might be a little tedious. You don't want to make any mistakes because it's very important. But no need to worry. I will show you right now, step by step, how to set up your ISBN to your book. Come on, let's go. First off, we're going to start at the home page, Bowker Identifier Services. Then you're going to click your profile. Welcome, it should be your name if you already have an account. Navigate over to My Identifiers. Assuming that you already purchased your ISBN, there should be an empty slot there that says Assign Title. You will click that, wait for it to load, and fill out the information from top to bottom. What is your book title? For here, it is My Next Bomb Book. And the subtitle is Poetry About Being Bomb. Just making something up here. What is the description? You want to put your book description here. Typically, and hopefully it is about 200-ish words. And it could be as little as a sentence or more. What is the format? Is it an audiobook? Is it an ebook? Print? For here, we're going to choose print. This all matters because all three, for the most part, need its own ISBN. We are going to choose paperback. Next, we're going to upload a front cover here. I uploaded just a random picture that I had in my files, but you will put your actual front cover, not the full cover with the spine and everything, just the front cover. Next, once that's uploaded, you'll continue to fill out the form. What is the genre? Is it fiction, crime, family, nature? For here, it is a poetry book, so we are going to navigate to poetry. If this is one author, so just me, but if it was an anthology with multiple authors or contributors, I would choose collections, but I'm going to choose one author. If there was a second genre, like it was poems on architecture or business, then I'd choose that, but right now it is just poetry. Then continue to fill out the form. Contributor number 1, it should be your name. I'm putting my name. I'm putting a brief biography. From there, I'm choosing author. That was my function, but if I wanted to get creative and add more functions, I can do that. I can select all that apply. Next, if this was self-published, this would be open here and it would just say my name if it was my own profile, but this is under my press. So I'm going to put the date it will be published. Let's say it's forthcoming, August 31st. I will click forthcoming, scroll down to my audience. Let's say it's a college audience, collegiates. And I will set my price to $200. I'm not going to click submit because this is just a mock-up to show you how to do it, but provided that you put all of your accurate information, you will click submit. Let's say all of your information is correct and you've submitted all of that accurate information. You will then go to your identifiers and you will see that it will either say in progress or assigned. So this is what it will look like, assigned. And that is a book that we put out recently. I'm writing to tell you. That is the ISBN. It is a paperback. The image is there, and we have a barcode. That is what it should look like, provided everything went very smooth for you. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments any questions you may have. And that's it. Not too bad, right? I mean, it's just a little tedious filling out the form. You want to make sure you put in the correct information, but once you take your time, nice and slow, you can totally do it. Let me know in the comments, what questions do you have about this process? Also, let me know if you want more videos like this. As I'm continuing to grow my channel, I want to make sure that I offer valuable content and also with a little bit of entertaining with my vlog and my fabulous writer life. So let me know in the comments, and I look forward to hearing from you.